You're watching News Channel 8's Live This Morning. More local, more often.
Well, it turns out that more than 22 million Americans suffer with asthma, and a new study shows many of them don't feel their symptoms are under control. That may be especially true for black women, the group with the very highest rate of asthma incidence in our country. This weekend, the Allergy and Asthma Foundation and the Black Women's Health Imperative are hosting free IgE asthma screenings. We're joined now with Angel Waldron, a spokesperson for the Allergy and Asthma Foundation. She's joining us here live this morning. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about this IgE screening, and what is IgE? What does that stand for?
Well, IgE stands for immunoglobulin E. It's an antibody that we all produce, but people with allergic asthma produce it at elevated levels. So tomorrow at the Black Women Health Imperative's 25th anniversary, the Walking for Wellness event down on the National Mall, we're going to offer free IgE tests for everyone.
Okay, and what's involved? Do you draw blood for that? What, for people who come out to do the screening, what can they expect?
Well, it's a quick test. It's a 2-minute thumb prick. We'll send your blood to a lab and send you the results in about 10 days. That will tell you what you're allergic to. For the 20 million Americans with asthma, over half of them have allergic asthma, which is triggered by environmental factors. And an IgE test is a good way to tell if you're one of those patients.
Now, any ideas from researchers as to why women of color seem to be at greater risk and seem to be having a higher incidence of this?
This disparity has boggled us for decades. Not only are African American women higher in prevalence, but they also have the highest death rate among all groups, including gender, culture, and age. So we are so proud to be a part of this event, and we applaud the Black Women Health Imperative for educating black women about this issue.
Well, let's, Angel, if we can, get to that information about where people can go to get this screening. It is a free event?
It's a free event. Our screenings are free as well. You can find more information at whatsmyige.com. There's also a free brochure and a discussion guide that you can share with your doctor. We encourage you to get tested for asthma and allergies so you'll know how to control your symptoms.
There's the information there. Walking for Wellness, Saturday, tomorrow, 9 in the morning until 1, Healthy Living Pavilion. That's at 15th and Constitution. And there is the website that we were directing you to, whatsmyige.com. I don't think I could say what IgE stands for, so you've already gotten my respect. Well, I'm hoping that you have a big turnout, and we'll keep our fingers crossed for you.
Thank you so much.
Nice to see you, Angel. Thank you for coming in.